Remember, Lucy. Remember.
평행우주의 또 다른 시간대, 루시는 결코 반복되어서는 안 될 비극, 엄마 실비아의 죽음을 마주합니다.
Lucy.
그 충격으로 방황하며 비행 청소년으로 성장한 루시는 불안한 내면을 다스리기 위해 정신과 상담을 받게 되는데
You know, when you first came here, you didn't speak for a month. We used to make paper flowers in silence. Why did you run away this time? Where did you go?
Mum's cottage.
Why did you go there?
루시는 어머니가 남긴 편지를 차마 열어보지 못한 채 보관하고 있었고
What do you want it to say?
She didn't love me. She didn't care about me. She didn't want to be my mum anymore.
Why do you want it to say that?
Because then I can hate her.
I think if we're going to do this, we need to take a breath.
마침내 열어본 편지에는 루시를 향한 실비아의 깊은 미안함과 진심 어린 사랑이 가득 담겨 있었죠.
Okay.
미안함으로 가득 찬 어머니의 마지막 목소리는 루시의 다친 마음을 녹였습니다. 하지만 오랜 상처는 쉽게 변하지 않았고 그녀는 여전히 마트에서 술을 훔치고 있는데 결국 루시는 현행범으로 경찰에게 인계됩니다.
Right, you ready to tell me your name? I'm PC Holness. You can call me Nick.
Nice to meet you, Nick.
Look, we don't have to go to the station. Have a word with your parents and that'll be the end of it.
My parents are dead.
You go to school?
Not often.
Yeah, I used to skip a lot. You know, you can't get a decent job with a record.
Or a decent job bit like yours.
Well, it's better to be a cop than a robber.
Bella likes your uniform, does she?
How do you know my wife's name?
That's her in the photo with the candles. I reckon that's her name in the box.
What's your name?
Lucy Chambers.
You've got a good eye for detail. You'd make a better detective than me, Lucy Chambers.
자신을 따뜻하게 대해준 닉을 동경했던 루시는 형사로 성장했고 현재 도난 사건을 해결하기 위해 수사 중이었죠.
Yeah, so why take the microwave?
Will he come back?
Don't worry, we'll catch him.
Just spoke to Ian next door. He reckons he saw an old van parked down the road. Red Nissan, he reckons.
The red Nissan. What model?
No idea, mate. It's a bit shaken up. Worried the burglar's going to come back. But he won't, will he, mate? Hey? Not with Daddy around.
Actually, if someone botches a burglary, they do tend to come back for another go. I'd suggest you get an alarm. Double locks on the doors.
Wow. Guessing you haven't got kids then?
I mean, maybe don't say it in front of a child.
Oh God, I don't know why you always get so soppy around kids.
루시의 곁에는 파트너 라비가 있었고 두 사람은 여전히 싱글이었지만
What the hell was that?
So romantic, Ravi. Did you do all this for me?
Oh yeah, I armed a bunch of farm kids with some rockets just for you.
서로를 향한 각별한 감정을 가슴 한구석에 깊이 묻어두고 있었죠. 그러던 어느 날 여자아이 둘을 쳐다보고 있는 누군가. 결국 두 아이는 실종되었고 사건은 루시에게 배당됩니다.
What did you find?
루시의 통찰력은 누구도 보지 못한 연결고리를 포착합니다. 조나 테일러 실종 사건의 데이터 위로 이번 사건의 조각들을 찾아낸 것인데
Is that or is that not a red Nissan Vanette?
잠시 뒤 라비에게 걸려오는 전화.
It's something else.
이번 사건은 클로이와 어린 딸이 셰인에게 목숨을 잃은 살인 사건이었죠.
Where is he now?
No clue. We put out an APW.
사건 현장을 살펴보던 루시는
I have Fisher. Upstairs bathroom.
셰인을 제압하며 위기는 넘겼지만 밀려온 극심한 공포 속에서 루시의 머릿속에 가장 먼저 떠오른 사람은 라비였습니다. 그 시각 어린 소녀들을 납치했던 헤럴드는 시신을 강에 버리고 있었고 그리고 얼마 뒤
What is it, love?
정체불명의 아이가 침입했다는 신고를 받은 루시와 라비가 현장에 도착합니다.
My name's Ravi. What's yours?
Isaac.
This is my friend Lucy. We're here to help you get home,
He
okay?
thinks this is his home.
What's your mummy's name?
Lucy
Do you know her second name?
Chambers.
Do you know where mummy is?
No, sweetheart, I'm not your mummy.
Well, someone must be missing him. He can't just have appeared out of thin air.
Sure.
루시의 옷자락을 놓지 않는 아이작을 태우고 경찰서로 향하는 길.
D.I. Chambers, you need to turn around.
What?
Just turn around.
실종된 소녀들의 사체가 발견되었다는 보고를 받고 곧바로 현장으로 운전대를 돌립니다.
I'll find someone to take the kid back to the station.
It's okay. She's coming back. You'll be okay. How about we listen to some music? Would you like that? She won't be long.
눈 깜짝할 사이에 인기척도 없이 사라져버린 아이작.
There's a bait shop down the road. Owner says he saw a van parked out here the last few nights.
What sort of van?
Red. Doesn't know the make. Might not be connected.
Everything's connected.
그 시각 아이작을 찾아다니던 라비는 집 하나를 발견하고 안을 둘러보다 잠긴 문 하나를 찾아냅니다. 그곳은 헤럴드가 소녀들을 납치해 감금한 곳이었죠. 그 시각 경찰서를 찾아간 헤럴드는 자수를 하는데
Interview with Harold Slade terminated at 17:32.
He didn't want to hurt them. He just wanted to keep them.
What do you mean he wanted to keep them?
Sorry, Sam Boyd.
Nothing according to him.
Then how did they die?
He's a big Tchaikovsky fan. His wife surprised him with a trip to Prague, Swan Lake. Packed his case for him. No time to double back for the kids. Left them without food or water.
We're following up with the coroner, but the theory is they died of thirst.
He should have killed himself. He should have killed himself.
What made him turn himself in?
He was threatened. Somebody saw him trying to get rid of the bodies, cornered him in the dark, held a knife to his throat.
We're looking for a Caucasian male. Tall, thin, Scottish accent, grey hair.
This man said he could see into the future. Knew exactly when and where those girls will be found.
Sorry, you tied a red vanette to the abduction. Well, I mean, it can't be a coincidence.
얼마 뒤 루시는 죽은 에이든 사건도 수사하게 됩니다.
Witnesses described a thin man in his 50s or 60s. White hair, Scottish accent.
그녀는 빨간색 닛산 바네트 차량을 추적하기 시작하고
Seems it always disappears around the same black spot, Thornham Green. But we did find this. Used to be a holiday let. King theory, this is where our suspect is hiding.
루시는 버려진 별장으로 즉시 경찰 특공대를 투입시킵니다. 그 안에선 코너 라슨이 사망한 채 발견되고
Then I reversed over his head just to make sure. But I'm too full, old girl.
그 시각 라비는 별장으로 향하던 길목 중 하나를 수색 중인데
Stop there, please.
Is that you, Dylan?
I said stop there!
Are we really going to do this again?
Stop right there, hands above your head!
You can't beat me. I know every move you're going to make. Just let me pass.
I can't do that.
Let's get it over.
한편 버려진 빨간 닛산 바네트를 발견한 루시.
This is petrol. Well, that thing runs on diesel. That means he's got another vehicle. So he slips away on foot, keeps a backup close to the main road.
긴 사투 끝에 루시는 마침내 기디언을 체포하는 데 성공했고 폭행당했던 라비 또한 병원으로 후송됩니다.
How many people have you killed?
Do you know how many times we've had this conversation, D.I. Chambers? And in every recurrence, you and I sit in this room and I warn you what's going to happen if you don't believe me.
What is going to happen, Mr. Shepherd?
You've read my notes.
You need to work on your handwriting.
So you keep telling me, Detective.
What is going to happen, Mr. Shepherd?
17 dead, 11 children. I can't stop it now, but you can. The real devil's out there, lurking in the shadows. The blur on the edge of the picture. I don't know his face, but I've seen what he can do, and so will you. I go to prison, I kill myself, we start over. But we always end up here, every time. I can't beat you, Lucy. So I want you to join me.
Join you?
I'll live. Just this once. I'll stay alive, I'll serve my time and wait. When you're ready to talk, you'll know where to find me. Until then, I've said all I have to say.
그렇게 입을 닫아버린 기디언을 뒤로 하고 집으로 가는 길.
999 call came through about 5
ago, house fire at 7 Sycamore Drive.
Why are you telling me this?
It's the house where they found that boy, Isaac.
Did they get everyone out? Looks that way. They're treating the mother for burns. Is everything all right, Mom? It's nothing, just a feeling. Deja vu.
뒤를 돌아보자 상의를 벗은 아이작이 보이고 이웃집 마당에 장난감집으로 들어가는 아이작을 발견합니다.
Will you come out, Isaac? We're not supposed to be here.
I couldn't stop it.
What couldn't you stop?
The fire. It followed me here.
What do you mean?
문을 열었을 때 안에는 아무것도 없었죠.
You okay?
No, I think I might be losing my mind.
Me too. We can go crazy together.
그렇게 서로의 마음을 확인한 두 사람은 결혼식을 올리고 함께 나이 들어가며 시간이 지나갑니다. 그리고 노년이 되어 기디언을 찾아온 루시.
Might be my last chance. I'm running out of time.
You and I have all the time in the world, Detective. You will return to this life just as I will. Only next time, we make sure it's different.
How much will it change?
I can save your mother's life, but after that, we surrender to the chaos. And the chaos will wake you up. What's the worst thing you've ever experienced? Make you remember this conversation.
So if we do this, I lose everything. I'll forget him.
You were always going to. But if you wake up, we can save them all. You know this case. Every foul detail is etched into your soul. I know it is. Not just Rigby's, but the others. The schools, the soft play. We have to stop him, Lucy. I need you on my side.
Okay.
얼마 뒤 행복한 삶을 살았던 루시는 생의 끝자락에 다다릅니다.
You made me so happy. I'll find you.
I love you, Lucy Chambers.
그렇게 형사 루시 체인버스는 생을 마감하지만 기디언의 말처럼 루시의 삶은 다시 시작됩니다.
So if we do this, I lose everything.
You'll lose your game. You'll walk a different path.
기디언이 총의 공의를 빼놓은 덕분에 실비아의 삶은 이어졌고
Still nothing.
He never cries, never laughs, he never gets mad. He's just... Isaac! Isaac!
아이작을 구하려다 정신을 잃었던 사회복지사 루시가 병원에서 깨어납니다.
Isaac,
He's okay.
where is he?
He's okay. He's being looked after.
Did he get out?
He got out. Your neighbours found him. Do you remember what happened?
I remember everything.
한편 기다리던 아이를 갖게 된 어느 부부. 이들은 곧 태어날 아이를 맞이할 준비에 한창입니다. 아이에게 선물할 장난감을 사서 가게를 나온 그 순간
17 dead. 11 children. The real devil's out there. I don't know his face, but I've seen what he can do, and so will you.
형사 루시는 기디언이 언급했던 그 사건을 수사하고 있습니다.
Well, we've accounted for all the victims. None of them fit the profile. The bomber got away. We're still looking at CCTV.
Any leads?
No leads. Just a reflection, if you look here. See in the corner of the picture, yellow hoodie, but it never comes out clean. Yeah, that's the spirit. Just sit there feeling sorry for yourself. He knew something bad was going to happen, just like I know something bad's going to happen.
And he got his numbers wrong. He told me there'd be 17 dead.
17 dead. 11 children.
Last I checked, there were 16.
Kelly Watson, she was,
What?
she was 9 months pregnant.
It's been nearly a year and he's still dreaming about the fire.
현재 루시에겐 1년이란 시간이 지나갔습니다.
Muddled, blended with imagination.
So what if he wasn't imagining it, really experienced all those impossible things? How would you treat him? Like help him come to terms?
Not sure I follow.
아이작은 감정 표현에는 많이 익숙해졌지만 평행 우주의 다른 세계를 보는 것은 여전히 두려워했고
Lucy, I wanted to ask if we could talk about some one-to-one sessions.
Yeah.
그리고 루시와 아이작이 겪는 현상을 다른 사람에게 설명할 수는 없었죠.
What do you think?
I can't see it.
Here. Come on. got some bits for your room. There are no ghosts here, I promise.
Meredith said there's no such thing as ghosts.
When was this? When you went over to play? It's different here. No one has ever lived in this house. It's just for us, just for this lifetime, this loop.
I'm not supposed to be here.
We're here because we choose to be, just like I chose to have you.
같은 시각 공원 옆 으슥한 곳에서 기디언은 땅속에 묻힌 무언가를 파내고 있습니다. 웬 통 하나를 꺼내든 그는 공원으로 향하고
Give us your money or we'll report you for being a fucking pedo.
So just walk away.
D.I. Dillon?
Ravi, it's Sam.
Sam Boyd.
Of course you are.
Gideon Shepherd was sighted in Hackridge
Park last night.
and we've already cleared it with your DCI.
The case that nearly got me fired.
But, I mean, don't you want to catch him?
Look, it has to be you. No one knows him like you do.
그 무렵 루시는 어렸을 때 살던 집에 도착합니다.
I told you not to come here.
I'm not the one with my face in the paper.
I have an idea.
There's something disgusting walking around out there. He could.
추적자들의 눈을 피해 기디언을 옛집에 숨긴 루시는 장난감 가게의 폭파범의 정체를 집요하게 추적하고 있었죠.
The monster just needs a face.
어김없이 찾아온 3시 33분, 잠에서 깨어난 루시는 밀려드는 기시감 속에서 전생의 흔적을 쫓습니다.
I want to have a baby.
간절한 소망을 담아 자녀를 갖기 위해 애썼음에도 불구하고 끝내 아이는 찾아오지 않았습니다. 그렇기에 루시에게 아이작은 무엇보다 소중한 존재였죠.
I'm not taking your fucking pills.
한편 다른 요양원으로 거처를 옮긴 실비아의 상태는 시간이 갈수록 점점 나빠지고 있었는데
Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me.
다음 날 루시가 도착할 때까지 실비아는 그 자리에 그대로 서 있었고
Where are you? Where have you gone?
한편 라비는 샘의 부탁을 받고 기디언 수사에 다시 참여하기로 합니다.
So where do you want to start?
그 시각 수업을 받고 있는 아이작.
I want you to take pictures of nature. We're thinking about the effect that people have. I thought you did brilliant work on Jason, put that down. Isaac,
Are you feeling okay?
선생님은 아이작이 카메라를 확인해 보는데 잠시 뒤 라비와 샘이 학교에 찾아옵니다.
Elena, Isaac's teacher.
If you see anything suspicious, just give us a call.
Thank you.
그 시각 홀로 남은 집에서 지난 생의 기억들을 정리하던 기디언은 정적을 깨는 의문의 소리를 듣게 되고 평행세계의 환영이 눈앞에 보이기 시작하자 기디언은 곧바로 이전에 땅에서 파냈던 물건을 꺼냅니다. 상자 안에는 어린 시절 동생에게 읽어주었던 동화책과 실비아를 구하기 위해 빼놓았던 총의 공이도 들어있었습니다.
What are you doing here, Lucy?
Doesn't matter, they're not for you.
Who are they for?
Mum's in the car.
No. You can't do this.
She knows this house. We made memories here.
I can't help you.
Do something now. I will lose her forever.
No, I told you. You need to stay away from me. You think you're safe?
You kill people who hurt others.
I kill people who get in my way.
She won't get in your way.
얼마 뒤 라비와 샘은 루시가 일하던 아동복지부를 찾아갑니다.
She handed her notice after.
Where's she working now?
Nowhere.
What does she do for money?
Well, she had an insurance payout when a house burnt down.
And she's been gambling. I've seen her at the bookies a couple of times.
Horse racing?
Wimbledon final. She won a stack of cash.
이전 생을 기억하는 루시는 도박으로 생활비를 벌고 있었고
What are you?
I'm back in town.
How did you find us?
Well, I'm a detective.
사랑했던 라비를 바라보는 루시의 얼굴에 미소가 번졌고
Hello, Isaac. Long time no see. Hey, you remembered.
Do you want to come in? You're back for him, aren't you? I saw the news.
I thought it was over.
He's left us alone for a year.
He's a deranged monster. He was spotted in the park behind Isaac's school. Aren't you worried?
He's never hurt me, he's never threatened me.
Yeah, well, he beat me half to death, so. I keep a taser in the car now. I tried to visit you in the hospital. The boss said it was a bad idea. I did call after, but you changed your number.
Downgraded. Digital detox. You should stay for dinner.
I don't want to intrude.
You know, if you're worried about us, you probably should stick around a bit, you know, keep us safe.
루시의 말에 저녁까지 먹고 가게 된 라비.
Or Colonel Sanders, if I'm feeling really stretched. Clearly have a thing about men with beards.
루시는 그와 함께하는 시간이 행복했죠.
Sleep well, darling.
You're happy and you make him smile, so you should kiss him.
Night.
Night.
그때 라비는 루시의 수첩을 발견합니다.
What are you doing?
Sorry, I wasn't.
Yeah, that's private.
But I did. Lucy.
What?
Lucy, if there's any.
다음 날 아침 라비가 마주한 것은 자신을 기다리던 샘이었습니다.
You went to see Lucy Chambers?
It got late. I slept on the sofa. It'll be 5 minutes. I'm just gonna freshen up. I need you to look up a name. Evelyn Wiseman.
Did you get that from her?
I'll be 5 minutes.
라비의 마음 한구석에는 루시에 대한 의심이 조금씩 싹트기 시작했지만 감정의 무게추는 이미 사랑 쪽으로 급격히 기울어 있었습니다. 이전 생에서 형사였던 루시는 폭파범이 버리고 간 자동차를 발견하는데
Makes sense he'd use a stolen car. The owner's a Jack Graham. Someone nicked the car when he was having his legs put back together. Sometime over the past 8 days.
Find the thief, find the bomber.
We found a footprint. Size 10, trainer, wide fit, blue Subaru, yellow hoodie. Might jog someone's memory, someone might know him.
Or he's a recluse, lives in the middle of nowhere, cut off, faceless.
이번 생에 루시와 기디언은 폭파범이 이용했던 파란색 차량을 감시하고 있었습니다. 정적을 깨는 소리에 이끌려 밖으로 나간 기디언의 발치에는 누군가 땅을 헤집어 놓은 흔적이 역력했습니다.
Just having a bad dream. We both are. Who is it? Just a spell. Are we? These are my memories, taken from where they were supposed to be. I always bury this tin somewhere no one will ever find it. It's my failsafe, my anchor. What did you bury out there, Sylvia? What were you digging for?
해가 밝자마자 마당을 파헤치기 시작하는 기디언.
He's coming soon. Owner's in hospital. I checked. 2 broken ankles, no deviations.
You alright? Did you say something?
기디언은 루시에게 땅에서 파는 물건을 보여줍니다. 건넨 것은 다름 아닌 실비아의 총이었죠.
I sawed off the barrel. It's easier to conceal. She stays here. You have to do something for me.
Right.
They're offering a reward for my arrest. If I get my face in front of the wrong camera, then this is all over. And we've got 4 days to find the bomber. Not until we're sure.
You want me to play detective?
Pick up where you left off. Find the thief. Find the bomber.
집에 돌아온 루시는 아이작 팔에 그려진 그림을 발견합니다.
Meredith did it for me. She said it was okay because it's not forever. You can have one too. She showed me how.
Is that because Meredith's your girlfriend?
She's not my girlfriend.
Maybe a best friend?
You're my best friend.
그 시각 샘은 에벌린에 대한 정보를 찾았다며 비디오 한 편을 라비에게 보여주는데
But not long after she began to speak in full sentences, her parents realized that something was wrong.
She started talking about things she remembered, things that hadn't happened yet.
From an early age, Evelyn would talk about leaving, that they were all supposed to die in a car crash. on the 5th of September, 1977.
That is the date that Shepard mentioned on the tapes. The exact date.
Evelyn was supposed to die in a car crash on the 5th of September 1977.
Look, maybe we can track down the family, get some answers. What I want to know is, where did Lucy Chambers get the name from?
한편 기디언에게 총 쏘는 법을 배우고 있는 루시.
I'm pregnant.
Do you know who?
Ravi.
Does he know?
루시는 기디언을 대신해 폭파범을 뒤쫓는 일이 너무나 위험하다고 판단합니다.
I can't go to prison.
I did. 25 years. It's what you asked for. It's what I gave you.
She didn't have a mother. She didn't have a son.
I know that you're not going to run away from this.
What makes you say that?
Because that's not who you are.
한편 아이작은 무언가에 홀린 듯 한 지점을 묵묵히 응시하고 있는데 담임 선생님은 아이작을 따로 불러내 면담을 합니다.
The Devil's Hour. What is the Devil's Hour, Isaac?
It's late at night, and we have bad dreams, when we get scared.
Things always seem scarier at night, don't they?
Sometimes it happens in the day.
What do you mean?
I'm not allowed to talk about it. That's what Mum says.
Does Mummy have a lot of secrets? If Mummy's secrets make you sad or afraid, I'm always here if you need me.
공원으로 향한 루시와 아이작을 맞이한 것은
I don't feel well.
불길한 예감에 사로잡힌 루시가 아이작을 데리고 자리를 피하려던 그때
Kelly Watson, she was 9 months pregnant.
전생에서 폭발로 인해 목숨을 잃은 부부의 참혹한 모습을 기억해낸 루시는 자신이 반드시 폭파범을 찾아내야 한다는 사명감에 사로잡혔고 그날 밤 두 사람이 예의주시하던 파란색 차를 누군가 훔쳐가는데
We should go away. Somewhere hot and too expensive.
읊조리는 알 수 없는 말들을 종이 위에 옮겨 적는 루시.
Make it quick, everyone's asleep.
Our blue Subaru. Stolen half an hour ago.
Have you got a face?
He had a key. Must have lifted it from the owner. Could be they know each other.
The owner's still in hospital. He doesn't know his car's missing.
You should be the one to tell him.
Why would he talk to me?
Because you DI Lucy Chambers of the Hart Valley Police.
카메라 속 남자의 사진을 벽에 붙이던 그때 정막을 뚫고 들려오는 기이한 물소리. 몇 번을 잠가보려 해도 멈추지 않던 수도꼭지는 기이하게도 순식간에 저절로 잠겼고 얼마 뒤 에벌린의 아버지는 경찰로부터 한 통의 전화를 받습니다.
Do they know where she is? But they have a lead. Well, I'll wait to hear from them. Thank you.
루시는 전생의 경찰관이었던 기억을 되살려 파란색 차의 주인인 잭을 찾아갑니다.
I'm DI Lucy Chambers. I'd like to speak with one of your patients, Jack Graham.
Jack Graham. Let's have a look.
간호사는 별다른 의심 없이 루시를 잭에게 안내했고
My name's Lucy Detective Inspector Lucy Chambers. Could I have a word?
Sorry, I gotta call you back.
루시는 잭에게 그의 파란색 차가 도난당했다는 사실을 전하는데
What do they do? Break a window?
Looks like they had a key. Did you lose a set?
I thought I'd lost them at the pub.
그 남자의 사진을 꺼내 잭에게 보여주는 루시.
That's Steve Dunn.
Who's Steve Dunn?
Going to debt, always nicking stuff. Reckon he used to run with a gang. Hey, be careful if you go after him. He's proper psycho.
그 시각 라비와 샘은 에벌린의 아버지를 찾아갑니다.
When was the last time you saw Evelyn? 21st of November, 1986. She just left? Yeah. Just before she left for her shift, she turned to us and said, I'm not supposed to be here. And she said she had to get away from the noise, the echoes. She just had to leave. Anything about where she was going? Somewhere quiet, far away. She left because we didn't understand her and we just wanted to understand.
Did she paint this?
Yeah. But this, you see, this is more like it. She painted this of Porlock Bay. We used to rent a cottage down there.
What about this?
Evelyn said she painted it from memory, but we'd never been there. It's not...
Far away. We found her an old house on the moor.
We found her an old house on the moor where the Ripples wouldn't find her.
That's what he said.
Somewhere she'd never be found.
See? Not broken.
Not today.
Let's talk about things that change. You said that this ornament was cracked. What else? That's just recording our voices just while Mummy's not in the room. There's nothing to worry about. So we used to make paper flowers in silence. And there is a instance of schizophrenia in the family. Flowers change every week. I get fresh ones.
Sometimes they're not real.
What else do you see?
Other children, they're in another loop.
What does that mean?
It's a secret.
Can you see them now? Do you think if we go really quiet, you might be able to hear them? Shall we try that? All right, well, close your eyes for me. Keep them closed. And you can tell me if you hear...
의자에 앉아있던 아이작이 흔적도 없이 사라져버리고
Hi.
Lucy.
Hi, sweetheart. How'd you get on? Come on, darling. Come on. Oh, what's this?
Sorry, yes, thanks. That's mine. Thank you, Isaac.
Right, see you next week.
Told Debbie to be there by 5:30. You ready?
You okay? You like staying at Meredith's, don't you?
I like it here.
It's just for tonight, I promise.
아이작을 맡긴 루시는 재개 차량을 탈취한 스티브의 거처로 향했고 기디언과 통화를 연결한 채 조심스럽게 스티브의 은신처를 뒤지기 시작하는데
Ammonium nitrate fertilizers, plastic explosives.
Lucy?
We found a footprint. Size 10, trainer, wide fit.
스티브가 이번 사건의 진범임을 확신한 루시는 은신처를 샅샅이 뒤지기 시작합니다.
Got a laptop. It's got a password.
All right. Use keyring 1.
기디언이 미리 준비해준 USB를 컴퓨터에 꽂자
Which life did you spend hacking computers?
I bought this off a 14-year-old boy in an internet cafe.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with D.
Something beginning with D. What about drain?
Yes, speaking. Bye.
Isaac?
He disappeared.
None of this makes sense.
Isaac! Mom! Oh my god. What happened, Isaac?
It bit me.
What bit you?
The dog.
Where'd it go?
She scared it away.
Who scared it away?
Mom.
Nothing for bomb, explosive.
스티브의 노트북까지 뒤져보았지만 폭발과 관련된 단서는 나오지 않았고
What about Rigby's toys?
He has been checking for prices for used Subarus. Sent them to a guy named French.
He's selling the car.
When?
Car for Cash, Mourns Hill car park. That's just off the high street. It's behind Rigby's.
Gideon, this isn't him.
No. It has to be.
I'll get it back to you with interest. 15k and then we're square.
스티브가 크게 틀어놓은 음악 소리를 틈타 빠져나가려 했지만 굳게 닫힌 문은 미동조차 하지 않았죠.
Who the fuck are you?
You want to be anchors, Wells? What have you got? What are you taking? You are fucking dead!
밀려오는 공포 속에서 루시는 결국 품 안에 있던 총의 방아쇠를 당겼고 한편 외딴 곳에 몸을 숨긴 에벌리는 자신이 알고 있는 진실을 기록하고 있습니다.
Emergency services were dispatched to Rigby's Toys just after 11 a.m. Detective Inspector Lucy Chambers is at the scene.
Lucy,
It's not him. It's a dead end.
nothing's changed.
I have to see his face.
Once I know who he is, I can stop him.
You're talking about next time, another life.
기디언은 수단과 방법을 가리지 않고 폭발을 막아 이번 생을 유지하려 했지만 아이작과 라비 그리고 뱃속의 아이까지 품게 된 루시는 이 굴레를 다시 반복하고 싶지 않았습니다.
Everything I've worked for, you'll pick a new target.
I don't think I can. Don's dead. He came at me. I shot him.
Did you clean up?
I didn't have time. I had to get out of there.
If you lie low, we might still have a chance.
What about Isaac?
He's safe.
I'll see you soon.
차에 올라탔을 때 데비에게서 다시 전화가 걸려옵니다.
We've just got back from the hospital. He was attacked, bitten by a dog.
He was right there, and then he wasn't. This was tied to the wound when we found him.
I'm gonna need to take him home. Are you alright to walk, darling?
I'm sorry.
Please stop saying sorry.
Okay,
did nothing wrong. Meredith was right next to him. She says he vanished. It's just her mind playing tricks. You weren't there.
그 시각 라비와 샘은 스티브 사망 현장에 와 있습니다.
From Shrewsbury Museum, archive photos. That's the house in Evelyn's painting. Look at the caption.
Faraway farm.
This could lead us to Shepherd. If Lucy Chambers knew about it, that's obstruction. We found Evelyn Wiseman. That house is 40 miles west of Birmingham. We could go there tomorrow.
I'll go. You stay on the homicide.
And Lucy Chambers?
I'll call her in the morning. On the record.
I like your watch.
It's broken.
If it's broken, why not throw it out?
Keeps the ghosts away.
I killed a dog a year ago.
Then I reversed over its head just to make sure. Belonged to a 4-year-old girl.
I think that the dog that bit you was the dog that lived, that saw you through the veil of another life, of a world in which it no longer existed. Keep the watch, Isaac. You're going to need it.
Go upstairs, brush your teeth. I'll be up in a minute.
We shouldn't have brought him here. He's not safe here. We may need to run. It's no life for a child.
It's not your responsibility.
I'm the reason he exists.
그날 밤 늦은 시각 라비로부터 문자 한 통이 도착합니다. 그러자 전생의 기억이 파도처럼 밀려오는데
I have a very serious question to ask you.
Okay. Oh my god.
Will you marry me?
Yeah, I guess.
Shit.
Have you figured it out yet?
I can't show my face in that shop until the last minute.
I could go in. I'd blend in. I could keep an eye out. It's Dylan again.
Answer it.
You at home?
No, I'm at the hospital with Isaac. He got bitten by a dog, believe it or not.
Believe it or not.
Sorry?
I want you to come into the station.
Ask for D.S. Boyd.
Where will you be?
I'm taking a trip.
Where? Ravi, if you want to ask me some questions, just ask me.
Where did you hear the name Evelyn Wiseman?
What? Who's Evelyn Wiseman?
Just come into the station, Lucy.
I have to go. I'm really sorry. I will talk to you later, though. Okay. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Ravi. If they have Evelyn's name, they can find out where she is.
Gideon.
What did you tell him?
Nothing. He must have seen the name in my notebook. It's fine. You said they never find her.
They never found her before, but we've changed it. Anything can happen now. I have to get to her. She knows about Rigby's.
What does it matter? She won't tell the police.
She will. She's unstable. She tells the police. They close the shop. They investigate. The bomb never goes off. I never see his face. They take us alive. After all this, it's drugs. It's therapy. They numb our minds. They make us forget. No more echoes. No more memories. Hard reset. Keep Dylan out of my way.
If you hurt him, I will fucking kill you.
You won't be the first.
Anybody comes here, anyone at all, you hide. Hold on to your watch.
라비가 걱정됐던 루시는 곧바로 차를 몰아 그에게 향합니다.
I have somewhere to be.
So you found her, Evelyn.
What do you know about Evelyn?
Ravi, there is nothing out there.
I think I'll see for myself, thanks.
I'm pregnant. 3 tests, 3 positive.
What do you want to do?
Would it scare you if I said I wanted to be a family?
We hardly know each other.
I've never read this.
책을 펼친 루시는 그 안에서 코팅된 지폐 한 장을 꺼내고는
Have you ever told me about this?
No, I haven't.
It was your 8th birthday. You went for a walk in Housden Forest. You, your mum, your dad. Ria ran on ahead and she found this note on the ground. You threw a strop because you wanted it for yourself, but your parents said it was hers, so she should keep it. And that night, you went into her room and you stole the note from her piggy bank. Everyone knew you'd taken it, but you denied it and denied. And you denied it because you hated yourself. Preserved it, laminated it.
I've never told anyone that story.
I know you. I've loved you a million times. I am the only person you've ever told. What do you want to do?
I want to go to that house.
스티브 사망 사건을 조사 중이던 샘은 아이작 담임 선생님의 전화를 받습니다.
Isaac Chambers is off today. Mum's worried it might be infected, so she's taken him back to hospital.
Last year, he burnt his hand.
They were cagey on the details.
I should have spoken to Children's Services, but she used to run that department. It wouldn't be handled well.
No.
There's something wrong with that family. I was hoping that someone might be you.
I think it might be.
Hello, Grandma. This is real.
아이작은 시계를 손에 꽉 쥔 채 실비아의 손을 꼭 맞잡았습니다.
I know this room. This is my room. Is it a dream? Where's Lucy?
She's coming back.
Your name is Isaac, and you didn't cry when you were born. But we watched the birds together. Thank you for waking me up.
그 무렵 기디언은 에벌린의 집에 도착합니다.
Hello, Evelyn. Pack everything that matters. We need to get you out of here. The police are coming.
We have to tell Jonah.
Jonah is not the problem right now, Evelyn.
It doesn't happen like this. You don't come here.
Evelyn, wait. Evelyn, don't do this. If you don't leave with me now, they're going to take you. It will put a lot of people in danger, and I can't leave you here. I'm sorry.
Do we have to start again?
But you can't stay here.
Where are we going?
Somewhere safe.
같은 시각 라비와 루시는 에벌린의 집으로 달려가고 있습니다.
Where's your taser?
Put it back.
그때 반대편에서 마주오는 기디언의 차량이 보이는데
Ravi, no. No.
Drop the gun! Stay back!
Get back in the car. You do not understand what you're doing.
But she does!
Yes.
We can explain.
He'll never believe you.
What won't I believe?
I would rather not hurt you.
Don't take another step. No.
Is she okay?
I don't know!
라비차의 타이어를 쏴버린 기디언은 충격에 빠진 두 사람을 그대로 지나쳐갑니다. 라비가 예비 타이어를 꺼내려 트렁크를 열지만
Oh, come on, you've never been good at this.
Just stop talking! You're under arrest.
한편 샘은 수사의 실마리를 풀기 위해 차를 도난당한 잭을 찾아가는데
Oh, found his car, did you?
So knows it was missing.
Someone was in yesterday. Showed him pictures. One of your lot.
I'm gonna need to check your CCTV.
You think that's who you're looking for?
I know it is.
타이어를 수리하는 동안 루시는 더 이상 침묵할 수 없음을 깨닫고 입을 엽니다.
I know part of you does.
I believe that you believe it.
So I'm crazy.
No, I think I might be losing my mind.
We can go crazy together. We can go crazy together. 17 dead, 11 children, but you can't tell me where or when.
But we need him to go through with the plan. We need to see his face. It's the only way.
I do love you. I don't know why, but I do. That's why I have to take you to the station.
그때 갑자기 배를 움켜쥐는 루시. 결국 뱃속에서 생명의 불꽃이 꺼져버립니다.
I tried for years. Never worked. It just wasn't meant to be.
라비가 루시를 끌어안던 그 순간
If we had a boy, I would have called him Amir. I don't know what's happening to me.
And I can make it make sense. Is there a vending machine? I really need something to eat.
I'll see what I can find.
하지만 라비가 돌아왔을 때 루시는 사라지고 난 뒤였습니다.
I've been calling. Where have you been?
Out of range. What do you have?
We need to talk about Lucy Chambers.
It's circumstantial.
We found hair and blood at Dunn's place, not his.
라비는 스티브를 죽인 범인이 루시라는 사실을 직감했고
Ravi.
샘은 병원 밖으로 걸어가는 루시를 발견하는데
Where's Ravi?
I left him at the hospital. But we're safe for now.
I am so sorry.
Mom,
Couldn't get back to you.
I made Grandma better.
Yes, you did.
안도하던 바로 그때
Nobody move.
Sam, what are you doing?
I need everyone to put their hands on the table and...
Your wife's name is Danielle. I know this is hard to believe, but I need you to remember. I need you to understand.
Understand what?
Stop! Sam, don't!
Mom!
Do not move! Tie her up.
We have to stop him, Lucy. I need you on my side.
We stop him. But when it's done, when he's gone, you stay away from me and we never speak again.
Deal.
루시가 다녀간 뒤 기디언은 실비아를 살리기 위한 준비를 서둘렀습니다.
Shepard, on your feet. You've got another visitor. Special dispensation.
그렇게 기디언을 찾아온 의문의 남자.
Have we met?
When we will, it's all relative.
You're not supposed to be here.
I get that a lot.
Your watch has stopped.
Couldn't part with it. Someone once told me it was important. You played with the chaos and the chaos spat me out. Not a life exactly, but something adrift.
That's impossible. What do you want from me? Who are you?
My name's Isaac Chambers, and I want to know why you killed my mother.
다시 현재 은신처에서 폭탄을 제조하고 있는 폭파범. 그때 샌드위치를 만든 루시는
Don't try anything. I'm going to uncuff one hand so you can eat.
토마토 샌드위치를 건넨 루시가 말을 이어갑니다.
You know you're mildly allergic to tomatoes. You don't stop eating them, you just slice them. Is there no part of you that remembers?
Remembers what?
The ones who die today. The ones who come after.
당연하게도 샘은 그녀가 말하는 그 어떤 순간도 기억하지 못했고
We have to do something about her. If you let her go, you'll have to run. Lucy.
It happens this morning. We need to focus.
Park on Braden Street. Gives us more options. Get that map. Keep it. If you need me, that's where I'll be tonight.
Isaac, I need you to stay here with Grandma. Come here, give me a cuddle.
루시와 기디언이 모든 자료를 불태우고 장난감 가게로 향하던 그 시각 라비는 머릿속을 스치는 정체불명의 잔상들에 혼란스러웠는데
On the first floor of the building, just after 11 a.m.
아이작의 상담사 루비는 아이가 사라진 당일의 상담 기록을 다시 재생했습니다.
Alright, well, close your eyes for me. Keep them closed. And you can tell me if you hear...
Come from behind the curtain, Amelia. Come on.
루비가 재생한 녹음기에서는 정체 모를 아이와 대화하는 자신의 목소리가 담겨 있었는데
Other children, they're on another loop.
루비가 고개를 돌렸을 때 꽃병에 있던 생화들은 어느새 종이꽃으로 변해 있었죠.
1 hour to go.
I could get them out.
No, you couldn't. If we changed too much, we could spook him.
두 사람은 장난감 가게에서 폭파범이 나타나길 기다리고 있었고 그 시각 라비는 계속해서 머리에 스치는 장소를 찾아가 보는데
What are you doing?
I'm marking the moment. It's just our initials.
Of that.
연이어 억눌려 있던 대자비가 폭발하듯 터져 나오고
Boy.
Turn on the news. Police have not confirmed whether the attack was terror-related.
Wait, Lucy.
Which occurred just after 11 a.m.
뇌리를 스치는 환영들이 환각인지 사실인지 확인할 방법은 오직 하나뿐이었습니다.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Let me see. You're slipping. Where's that watch?
실비아는 아이작의 망가진 시계를 고쳐주려고 하고 에벌리는 밀려드는 평행 세계의 환영과 소리에 고통받고 있었죠.
Hello? Is somebody there?
Are you here? Yes. Can you hear them? The voices. The voices? Yes. You have to listen to them, Evelyn. You have to give them what they want. What do they want? I think they want you to let me go.
That's better, isn't it?
It's quiet.
Well, you can still hear them, but only if you want to.
Is it them?
No.
What do we do?
Hide.
It's gonna hurt you, I promise. Just stay there.
1층으로 내려와 집안을 살피던 샘은 넋이 나간 듯한 표정의 실비아를 발견합니다. 샘은 눈앞에 실비아를 뒤로 한 채 다급히 차 키를 챙겨 집을 나섰고
Not long now. Be careful of the stuff.
Yeah, I will. I know what I'm...
그때 수상한 가방을 발견한 루시.
Lucy, look around. You have to find him. Lucy.
Just wait.
가방에 조심스럽게 다가간 루시는 가방을 뒤져 내용물을 확인하기 시작하는데
What do you think you're doing? Why are you going through my bag? Everything okay? No, not really. For a second, and she's going through it. I'm sorry. Don't let leave! Hey!
설명할 수가 없었던 루시는 도망치듯 가게를 빠져나옵니다.
Did you see his face?
I can't go back in there. You'll have to take over. Look, I'll come back to the car.
Lucy, don't.
가게를 벗어나던 그때 아이작에게 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Had to leave. Why, Isaac? Why did you leave the house?
What happened? Did someone come to the house?
She escaped.
She'll be back soon. Grandma says we're not safe here.
Where you used to play.
Yeah, I'm coming right now. Just stay on the phone.
전화를 붙잡고 초조하게 루시를 기다리던 기디언의 시야에 낯익은 실루엣이 포착되는데 폭파범은 얼굴을 보여주지 않는 채 가게 안으로 향했고 그때 라비가 장난감 가게에 도착합니다.
I need you to get everyone out of the building. There's been a suspected bomb threat. Don't go upstairs. I'll send them down to you.
그리곤 다급히 2층으로 올라온 라비.
Madam, we've got a security issue. You need to take your son outside right now.
그때 대자뷰에서 본 노란 후드의 남자가 보이고
Stay where you are, please. I said,
복부를 움켜쥔 라비의 시야가 흐려지던 그 찰나 기디언이 현장에 도착합니다.
Where did he go? I leave it in. I'm sorry.
거친 숨을 몰아쉬는 라비를 뒤로 한 채 달아난 남자를 쫓기 시작하는 기디언. 기디언의 시야에 놈이 타고 온 것으로 짐작되는 노란색 차량이 보이는데 기디언이 정신을 잃고 쓰러진 그 시각 라비는 마지막 남은 힘을 쥐어짜 놈이 놓고 간 가방을 열어보는데 이제 라비가 할 수 있는 건 아무것도 없었습니다. 한편 아이작이 말한 장소에 도착한 루시.
Isaac,
we have to go.
집으로 돌아온 루시는 안도할 틈도 없이 급하게 짐을 챙기기 시작하고 기디언이 건넸던 지도를 태우던 그때
Just pick it up quickly, okay?
Lucy.
현관문으로 샘이 들이닥칩니다.
No one else needs to follow me unless you give them a reason to. You are under arrest on suspicion of the murder of Stephen Dunn. Kidnap, assaulting a police officer, and conspiracy to commit a terrorist offence that you later rely on in court. Did it go off? The bomb?
he was supposed to stop it. So just tell me.
Officers were dispatched to 13 Wenbond Street following reports of an explosion there. That's all we know.
Isaac, come back here, my love.
Mummy's just gonna help us answer some questions. That's all.
Isaac.
Come on. You have to let me go, okay?
루시를 껴안은 아이작이 시계를 만지자 집은 사라져버린 뒤였고
So this is before.
Sometimes it's before. Sometimes it's what comes next.
You should have brought me here.
I had to. You said I had to. Wait.
No, I didn't, sweetheart.
You will.
아이작은 루시의 손을 단단히 맞잡고 어딘가로 걷기 시작합니다.
It's cold. Why is it so cold here?
It's always cold. I'm cold. I'm cold.
Oh my god. Where are we going?
We have to get away.
Isaac, stop. I'm not supposed to.
찰나의 정적 뒤 루시가 다시 현생으로 돌아왔을 때 남겨진 샘은 이성을 잃고 멍하니 허공만을 응시할 뿐이었습니다.
She just disappeared.
It's impossible.
It's not impossible. if she did it.
It wasn't her. It was him.
샘의 추격을 뿌리치고 아이작과 함께 약속 장소에 도착했지만 한참이 지나도록 기디언은 나타나지 않았습니다.
I need to make a call.
Found this in the sink.
샘은 타담한 지도를 발견하고
Thank you for coming.
루시가 연락한 건 루비였습니다.
Lucy.
Take us as far as Gloucester. We'll make our own way from there.
Where? Where are you going? I can't help you if you don't talk to me.
I will, but not here.
There's a roadblock on a 325. Someone knows we're here.
What? What happened at Rigby's? Did you catch him? Did you see his face?
No.
Gideon!
He came out of nowhere. He could have killed me, but he let me live.
Why?
No idea. We have to take the footpath through the farm, make for the woods on the other side.
You have to leave me. It's the only way to stop him. Everything's gonna be okay.
I'll find you.
Lucy! We have to go right now! Lucy!
What's this?
Look, it's everything you need to know. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
그렇게 루비에게 아이작을 맡기고 떠나는 두 사람.
This way.
하지만 얼마 되지 않아 멀리서 사이렌 소리가 들려오기 시작했고 두 사람이 숨어든 낡은 건물을 포위하기 시작하는 경찰.
They're gonna find us.
We can't let them take us alive.
No. I have a son. I have a life. I can't.
Larry's dead! What? Got them all out, but he couldn't save himself.
You're lying.
I wish I was.
You're fucking lying! Don't shoot, please, please, don't shoot, don't shoot.
I said drop the gun.
We have to reset while we still can. It's all right.
No!
Drop the weapon.
One,
Put the weapon on the ground.
two.
Wait, what about?
Yet another fountain.
Police are still messing about. Said this was all we could have. Kept the memory card, evidence. He hasn't said a word since she died. How do I talk to him?
You don't. You listen. He's been through a lot. Do you know what you're taking on?
Yeah, we'll make him part of the family.
Hello, darling.
그렇게 데블스 아워의 두 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 매일 밤 3시 33분 멈췄던 운명의 시계가 다시 돌아가기 시작합니다. 시간의 미로 속에서 펼쳐지는 압도적 미스터리 데블스 아워 시즌2였습니다. 이번 시즌은 왜 이런 일이 벌어지는가를 넘어 비극을 막으려는 자와 진실을 쥐고 있는 자의 치열한 수싸움에 집중합니다. 시즌1보다 훨씬 복잡해진 타임라인과 뒤섞인 기억들은 시청자에게 고도의 집중력을 요구하는데요. 이 불친절함조차 거대한 퍼즐을 맞춰가는 과정처럼 느껴져 묘한 쾌감을 선사합니다. 특히 피터 카팔디와 제시카 레인의 연기는 이제 경지에 올랐습니다. 선과 악의 경계가 무너진 채 서로를 밀어내고 끌어당기는 두 사람의 에너지는 극 전체를 지배하죠. 과거와 미래가 충돌하며 드러나는 비극의 실체는 보는 내내 숨막히는 긴장감을 자아냅니다. 단 한순간도 눈을 뗄 수 없는 지적 설계와 가슴 시린 드라마의 완벽한 조화, 미스터리 장르의 새로운 지평을 열어가는 이 기묘한 여정을 지금 바로 경험해보시기 바랍니다. 데블스 아워는 프라임 비디오에서 지금 바로 시청할 수 있습니다.